Let's go inside and get some clothes. Oh, you cold?
Yes.
Hey, how you doing?
Hi, and we get the star here. Yes, the circle star. One big circle.
Like that, like this. Not such a shaky hand, man. Hey,
Up a J.
is this the good day?
Go anywhere and let it go down. And then it just...
Look at it. So now you can go to the bathroom. What you looking down for? Go right to the bathroom.
No.
So,
Hardware.
replace the hardware? Okay, so guys, we're looking to replace the hardware in all of the bathrooms, so we can replace some of the faucets and stuff like that. So that's what we out here shopping for today. Okay? I really like that gold though. Like gold is that's I'm really digging it gold. I don't like this gray.
Oh, I don't know, but this is nice.
Like cement.
We also have what we call cleansing seats. So it has the bidet function.
Just
but
put it
you
on
can
top of the
You can
toilet.
just snap it onto your existing one.
Okay. That's pretty cool. But these can be replaced with your toilet, your existing toilet.
Absolutely, yep.
Okay.
The only plumbing and all that is the same. It will come with its own supply hose, but you do have to have electric pulled somewhere
Electric
near
pool.
the toilet.
Okay.
That's the only downside.
Okay.
We have ours, we have one downstairs here with like extension cords. It's so
Make sure they had it right.
Yeah, it's so not to code, but it works. Camera's getting B-roll.
Get the B-roll. I'm gonna give you some B-roll on how you did. Which one we look at now, Sheree?
I'm just showing you the last thing.
Bidet. This is a very small bidet.
Like this when they color the inside of the engine.
No, we got towards it.
I like when they color the I wish it came with a different type of shower head.
Let's get this.
It's just plexiglass. That was just part of the whole design of
This is plexiglass.
Yeah.
They sealed it with just some coffee.
And then with the
Interesting. You
bead
put
of
some
that
blue, put
house.
something blue behind it. Really good. And if all you do is act, oh, wow, that's crazy. Why do they have this thing though? Oh, they have this channel. I'm sorry, I'm like,
No, that's what we're here for.
yeah, this is really a good idea. Really smart. Now, y'all haven't had any issues with it, with getting wet?
Nope. It's been here since April 2015. No problems whatsoever.
like that. It looks so, it's just so clean. So this seems so. Even these are the same price. The mechanics are better. I mean, it's just like a silver. It's like cool. It's like more. Well, that's what we looked at.
Nope.
This thing will be in 50 years.
Yep, absolutely. We were just able to achieve a matte finish, which a lot of people have been asking
Yeah,
for.
which is really nice.
Yes.
We should have done this before we put that out.
So it has a magnetic locking system, so you're never going to get that over the, there's a switch or something that tells you to snap that.
Man, I love this. This is like one of my favorites right here. Digging the black and the gold. We're gonna have to get something like this or something similar. They got this composite sink. It's really nice. Hang dish towels and all that stuff. It's pretty dope. So this one, guys, look at it, it's got water in it. It has water, look at that. Water inside the light. Here too.